Hi everyone, this is Brian, Sales Manager at DELLA Subaru in Plattsburgh with another tech tip for you today. Today I want to talk about the smart key that comes with most new Subaru models. They're very convenient, and the battery does have to be changed every couple of years, and I want to show you how to change that battery right now. The batteries are inexpensive and very easy to change. To change it, flip the key over so that you're looking at the back of the key. There's a little silver square right there. Push that in, pull out the emergency key, and then you're going to want to take the part of the key that's cut out right here and line it up with the silver tab right there in this vertical slot. So the cut part goes towards that silver tab. Push the key in the vertical slot all the way. There will be some resistance, but you push it in all the way like so. And then you're just going to lift up on the key. The back is going to pop off. Remove the back piece, and then you're left with the circuitry and the battery right here. Simply pop the battery out, pop your new one in, and it does take a CR2032 battery, which can be commonly found at anywhere batteries are sold. Once you've got the new battery in there, stick it back in place, pop the back of the key back on, nice and secure. Make sure you got it all together. Slide your emergency key back in place, and then you are all set and good to go. Thanks for watching, and stop in and see us here at DELLA Subaru in Plattsburgh if you have any questions or you're in the market for a new vehicle. 518-324-8400. Have a great day.